Raghav Rai, please unmute yourself.
Namaskar, sir. Thank you very much. I was hearing all the predictions, what assurance people get from you, sir. And
That's my
rightly
job,
so.
no?
Sir.
My job is to give hope for people.
And not false hope. It is correct, sir, because it is all supported by all the Gradashas and your knowledge, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Raghavji. Thank
So my
you. Thank
question
you
is
for your
about
kind words.
sir, my younger son, sir. He is presently in US doing his PhD. And I sometimes wonder whether he'll come back to India, as he said earlier that he would like to come back to his own institution and serve as a professor in IIT Delhi. But presently, we are not getting much of feedback from him. He got over busy in the name of getting over busy. We are not much talking. So, whether he'll get settled in India or not, as you said earlier, the question should be asked where the answer is yes or no.
Raghavji,
See,
the parents are always worried about the marriage for the children.
sir.
The children are also worried about the marriage. You are worried whether they will get married. They are worried that they will marry.
Sir, this
Half
is the
the time.
last sanskar a parent looks forward to do.
No, just
Um,
kidding. Okay, sir, give me his name.
his name is Kshitij Rai, that is
Uh,
KSHITIJ,
uh,
Rai, RAI.
okay. Date of birth.
Date of birth 11 September 1995.
Time of birth.
Time of birth 3:58 a.m. 3:03:58.
Place of birth.
Place of birth Vishakhapatnam.
Vishakhapatnam.
Ji.
Beautiful town, sir, Vishakhapatnam is.
Sir. Yes, sir. Naval base.
Yeah, I've been there several times. Okay, sir. You are asking whether he will come back to India or not. 12th house of Lord Gemini in the star of Sun in the... Sorry, sublord is Sun. 12th house of Lord is Sun. Sun is in Venus star. See, again Venus star. Everybody is asking Venus related question because Moon is transiting through Venus. What is this? Huh? Unbelievable, no? Purva Palguni Nakshatra. Star Lord is Venus deposited in the second house. Sir, he will come back, sir, to 411. He has gone there for earning money. Once he has sufficient money, he will certainly get back. He will not settle abroad. He's gone there in order to earn money. Once he finishes earning money, once he says, I have earned enough, sufficient money, he will say, thank you very much. They will get out.
He is gone for PhD, sir. Although he gets stipend, which is quite large, quite good.
That also is understandable. But 4th house is for education, so naturally he has gone for studying. That also is very understandable. Okay, Venus is currently running Venus Mahadasa. See that?
Sir.
Again, one more Venus Mahadasa person in the star of Sun, owning the second house. Excellent time now, sir. 11, 2, 4, 11 combination. He has to study. This is a great time for him to study. The study, sublord, Moon is starting. Now he is running. He has just started Venus Dasa Sun Bhukti. Sun is also in Venus star. So 2, 4, 11 is highly activated. But this is, Sun is ending on 19/5/2024. Moon starts. Moon is in Pisces in Saturn's star. Moon is deposited in the 8th house, owning the Lagna. Saturn itself is in the 8th house. So there is a period between 19/5/2024 to 18/1/2026. where he is likely to go through some difficulties, impediments, and struggles in life. No major danger and things like that. Don't have to worry about it. But he will face some impediments and struggle. So be there to support him during that time. Okay.
sir,
He might come back to India during that time because Moon is negating the ninth house.
sir.
Okay. But
Will
Venus
it,
is not negating the ninth house. Venus is deposited in the second house in the star of Sun, which also is deposited in the second house. So he will earn sufficient money during this time. Perhaps some kind of an unearned income will come for him during this time. Okay.
Okay,
In the sub of Rahu, Rahu itself is deposited in Mars star in third bhava. That also is deposited in the third house, owning the 10th house. Not much of a this whole period, the
sir,
entire period from now, that is
sir.
started in 2020 January till 18 January 2040, he will keep climbing in life.
Okay,
Okay, overall, if you turn around and look at the 20-year period from 2040, he will have to count this as scaling
sir.
up in his life.
Okay,
Things will be much better for him. Of course, this 1 year period when Moon Mahadasa is running, one and a half period, Moon
sir.
Bhukti, Venus Dasa, Moon Bhukti, uh, there will be some unearned income. That means that he doesn't have to work. Suddenly, some income will come, some inheritance will come, all that will come. But
Okay,
he has to go through certain difficulties during that period. Moon is in the star of Saturn and the sub of Jupiter in the fourth house, owning the ninth house. This boy is destined to keep learning in his life, sir.
sir. It appears that, sir.
Yeah.
Otherwise, after
Don't worry,
doing,
he will settle down. Don't worry,
sir.
he will settle down. Eventually, once he has finished learning and earn enough money, he will come back to India.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
All the very best, sir. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Be
Thank you,
blessed.
sir.